Best Toys for Kids comparison. Science toys are a fantastic way to spark curiosity and foster a love for STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in children. With hands-on learning experiences, these toys encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. In this review, we compared 5 popular science toys for kids. List 1. This kit by Blue Marble offers an engaging introduction to geology, allowing kids to break open real geodes to uncover colorful crystals inside. With 10 geodes, goggles, display stands, and a 16-page full-color learning guide, it's a comprehensive STEM activity that emphasizes hands-on discovery. The geodes vary in size and crystal type, making each opening a thrilling surprise. The detailed learning guide provides fascinating insights into geode formation, enhancing the educational value. While the kit delivers an exciting experience, breaking open geodes requires adult supervision and a sturdy surface, as some geodes can be challenging to crack. The variety of crystals is impressive, but the activity is one-time use, limiting replay value. It's best suited for kids aged 8 and up who enjoy geology or hands-on exploration. List number: Snap Circuits Jr. by Aliexpress is an award-winning electronics kit that introduces children to the fundamentals of circuitry through 100+ projects. The kit includes 28 color-coded parts that snap together easily, eliminating the need for soldering or tools. Projects range from building a simple alarm to creating a flying saucer, making it highly versatile and engaging. The included instruction manual is clear and well illustrated, ensuring a smooth learning experience. This kit excels in its ability to teach practical skills and concepts in electrical engineering. Its modular design allows kids to experiment and build with ease, though younger children may require guidance to understand more complex projects. The reliance on AA batteries can be a minor inconvenience, as they are not included. Overall, this kit is ideal for kids aged 8+ who enjoy tinkering and creating. List number: Educational Insights Geo Safari. This premium microscope for preschoolers combines interactive learning with the voice of Bindi Irwin, offering over 100 facts and questions about animals and plants. With 60 full-color images and 2 modes of play, fact mode and quiz mode, it's an excellent tool for sparking early scientific curiosity. Designed for ages 3+, it's easy to use and durable, with LED lighting and a simple focus mechanism. The Geo Safari Jr. Talking Microscope stands out for its engaging audio content and interactive features, making learning fun for young children. However, its magnification is minimal, limiting its use for detailed scientific observation. It's best suited for preschoolers and early elementary students, serving as a gateway to more advanced STEM tools. List number: Dr. Jupiter's Science Kit offers 100+ experiments designed to captivate young minds and introduce STEM concepts in a fun and engaging way. The kit includes comprehensive instruction manuals with step-by-step guides, ensuring kids and parents can easily follow along. Experiments like water fireworks and walking water encourage observation and critical thinking. This kit strikes a great balance between fun and education, making it suitable for both preschoolers and older children. The quality of materials is commendable, though some experiments may require additional household items not included in the kit. It's an excellent option for screen-free entertainment and fostering a love for science. List 5. This microscope kit from Blue Marble offers 3 levels of magnification, up to 400x, and includes prepared slides, blank slides, rocks, minerals, and lab tools. Its ergonomic design, with large focus knobs and a soft-touch eyepiece, ensures ease of use for kids. The included lab guide provides engaging activities and merit badge stickers to encourage exploration. The microscope delivers solid performance for its price, offering a good introduction to microscopy. However, it is less durable compared to higher-end models, and its LED lighting can be inconsistent. It's best suited for kids aged 6 to 10 who are curious about the microscopic world.